Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to do the conclusion video on ArcoLinux that I've been using for more than a month now. I want to show you what I ended up with, so my theming and my thoughts on ArcoLinux. So this is what I ended up with. Let me show you the settings. I, of course, am in a dark mode. Um, Go to appearance. I have a new theme, red dot black global. So this is the theme that I'm using globally. Also on the splash screen. Um, and also on the startup login screen. So this is a complete theme that can be used overall. So here you have a nice dots. So you can see this for the minimize, the maximize, and the closing. This is really something that I like. Overall, this is just basic, what you can find online, normal theme, looking good. I did move the bar, the menu bar up to the top. So you can see here, I also removed the listing of the applications. It's more like a bar that you use in a tiling window manager. And I must say, I like it very much. What I also show you is that the KRUNNER is in the center. So you can just simply adjust this to go to the center here. So it's very, very nice to see that you can do that kind of things. This is the way I would work in window manager as well. So you can see here something in the middle. The easy thing on KRUNNER is as soon as you start typing, let's say I want to open a terminal, it opens the terminal. So this is all very, very good. I'll let me show you also something like if you do tiling on Plasma, it's really very simple. So let me open the terminal. So let me put that to the left, or you can put it to the right. You can put it to the and then the top, to the top left. You can move it to the right, so you can move it like this. If you open multiple terminals, so let's say I want another terminal. Sorry, that was wrong. Let's open termite. Let's put that one on the left. So you can organize your screens pretty simply, as you would do in a tiling window manager. Going to you can switch between workspaces. 4 workspaces. It's enough for me. You can see this is all looking very good. So pretty easy setup, and I must say I like it very much. Especially if you also have the drop-down terminal, of course, Quake. It's pretty handy. The memory usage is, as we've shown before, pretty good. And overall, I must say, the way it works, the stability is very good. So only thing that what happened was in the beginning, the first update, and afterwards it was all a very smooth experience. ArcoLinux, I must say, I really like it, guys. It's stable. There are enough updates, and you're getting pretty close to everything, to the newest versions. It's very stable. Yeah, I thought I had a very good experience in it. Is it better than the other ones? I really don't know. I can't say. It's Arch Linux. Everything is on it. You have your Yay installed by default, so your Arch user repositories are there. Your Pacman is the same as on every system. So is it better than the other ones? I'm pretty curious to see if it's really better than the KRUNNER, the Manjaro, the Endeavour OS, and maybe just plain Arch Linux. But overall, I must say been a very good experience, and I really like my time in ArcoLinux, and I hope to see you in the next one when we're going to be installing KRUNNER. So guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye for now.